welcome to our 1-minute walk-in where we talk about anything under the sun in just under a minute. And for today's video, we're going to talk about paano ba maging mabango 24/7, how to make your perfume last longer. Let's go. Spray perfume on your hair. So a few spritz here and there. Yan, ng perfume of the day mo. Kasi yung oil ng buhok mo, mas i-absorb niya yung scent or fragrance ng pabangong gamit mo. It will last all day, trust me. Pagdaan mo sa mga tao, or pag meron kang bineso-beso, talagang maaamoy nila yung pabango mo at hindi siya mag-fade. Tip number 2, petroleum jelly or unscented na moisturizer or lotion. Just put it on the points of your body where you usually spray your perfume. Ayan, put it here or here. Yan, sa mga points na yan, before you spray your perfume or cologne there, it will make it last longer. Tip number 3, if you have a chance to get a matching body wash, lotion, and cologne or perfume, do that. I always find like similar scents if walang mga matching or hindi pare-pareho. Para at least sa pagligo pa lang, nakastick na sa yung scent na yun, and then lotion and layer it off with your cologne or perfume, di ba? But maraming mga tao na allergic sa mga scented body wash and lotion. So, gawin nyo na lang yung second tip. You can use petroleum jelly or your unscented moisturizer and put the cologne on it. It will last longer. That concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you have any more comments or suggestions, don't forget to comment down below, guys, for our topics sa ating 1-minute walk-in videos. I hope this helps. Bye!